Good morning, DataPins users and potential future users. My name is Madison McClure, and I'm going to share with you how DataPins can help roofers rank for more service keywords on Google and other similar search engines. You'll find that this is a particularly simple process, and DataPins is no small part in making it easy for your business to rank. To get started, let's take a look at an example of how an existing service page is showing up for additional keywords thanks to our tool. Here we have one of our users, Adams & Sons Roofing, who's taken full advantage of our system. And while they are a relatively new user, they've already gotten lots of use out of the tool. Scrolling down to the bottom here, we can see where DataPins has been embedded within their service page. Beneath the large map of the service area where this business is working, we can see some of their recent projects that they have pinned to their service page. Now, these are particularly attuned to asphalt shingle roofing projects, but you can see how in the descriptions, this business is already going after multiple terms within their pins. Let's just read off a few of their great pins here. We roofed in the garage with a GAF roofing system. We used synthetic underlayment, GAF natural shadow charcoal shingles, and GAF sealer ridge charcoal shingles to cap the ridges, and installed deep drip edge to code. Over here, we did a full house tear off down to deck, then installed a GAF roof system. We used GAF felt buster underlayment, GAF Pro Starters, GAF Timberline, HTZ Charcoal, GAF Cobra Ridge Vent, 3-Ridge Vent, and GAF Seal Ridge Charcoal. We built a cricket on the chimney. We installed proper flashing and counter flashing with new drip edge and rake edge. We also replaced and sealed all plumbing boots. You can see plenty of great photos were included within these pins. Let's find one last one to take a look at. Installing GAF roof system on new construction house. We used full roof leak barrier, GAF Pro Starters, GAF Timberline HDZ Pewter Gray, GAF Cobra Ridge Vent, 3-Ridge Vent, and GAF Sealer Ridge Pewter Gray. We also installed standing seam metal roofing on the front porch. While these descriptions aren't perfect, they do showcase very well how to include a valuable terminology within your descriptions. From the What Did You Do section, which I'll showcase later on, you can write one or two brief sentences describing the work that you've completed for that given project. And within that section, you can easily include terms related to your primary service terms. Let's take a look now at how to set up these pages so that you can showcase these projects. First of all, you'll start off within the DataPins system on datapins.app. You'll go to the left-hand menu and find the Pages section. From here, you'll simply utilize our WordPress import if your website runs off of the WordPress content editor. Otherwise, you can use our import URL list to manually enter each URL you wish to incorporate into our system. After you've added these URLs, you'll simply add tags like you can see here. I like to include simple terms here for services, as well as a state abbreviation and city name for these cities. This makes it easy for people to find their given city that they're working in for that project. After you've added the pages and tags, you're already good to go for your website. The only question left is, where do we add those descriptions so that they show up on our website? Well, you're going to go to the Create page, which is the primary form that our system runs off. This pin form, as I tell all of our clients, is the heart and soul, the meat and potatoes of all of our DataPin system. After you've filled out much of the basic information, such as the name, contact information for your customer, etc., you scroll on down to the What Did You Do section, where you'll fill out information about that project. Here you can write a simple 1 or 2 sentences describing what you did and keeping it simple, but providing descriptive terminology to help people understand what it is you did. Let's write a simple example now. For this example, we could use synthetic tile, or we can shake it up and add a little bit more to it. Let's go. We installed a brand new synthetic tile roofing system to replace our client's existing asphalt shingle rooftop. After one hot afternoon of installation, this project looks fantastic. So this helps give prospective clients viewing on the website an idea of what the project is about. We've included a primary keyword term, new synthetic tile roofing, to help optimize for search engines. And we've got a little bit of flavor text to spice things up, helping people know, oh, well, it can be installed in one afternoon. Now, let's give one final example of how you could potentially optimize for additional terms. Let's say in our example, we're using traditional shingle roofing. Perhaps this is a commercial project in Alpharetta, Georgia. By the way, this tagging that we're doing is how we choose what pages this pin is going to be uploaded to on the website. By tagging these 3 pages, this pin would be uploaded to the shingle roofing page, the commercial roofer page, and the Alpharetta, Georgia city page, respectively. So in our example here, let's write a quick descriptive couple of sentences helping people understand what the project was all about. Today, we completed a asphalt shingle roofing system, asphalt shingle roofing installation, utilizing gorgeous gaff timberline shingles with a lovely gray sheen. This class 4 impact resistant shingle rooftop should last for up to 20 years. All right, that's a great couple of sentences, and you can see we've incorporated several valuable terms. Notice we've even used branded terminology to help our client potentially show up for branded terms. Yes, you can utilize these helpful brand terminology to potentially show up for those keywords. And we've also provided useful information about the impact resistance of the installation and how long a prospective customer could expect the roof to last. All this useful information would be uploaded to these pages on our website, kind of like our examples that we looked at here on the Adams and Son Roofing website. Lots of great information there. If you're ever unsure of what keywords to utilize for your website, think about utilizing tools like SEMrush or other similar services like Moz. Well, folks, that's about it for today. As you can see, it's fairly easy to incorporate new content to rank for all sorts of keywords on your service pages. If you ever have any questions about our services or our tool here at DataPins, we would love to answer your questions. Feel free to give us a call or an email and ask all about our handy system. Well, until next time, this has been a DataPins tutorial. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.